This video is kindly brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to create a beautiful online presence.
Hi, my name's Janelle and welcome back to Rosery Apparel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 of my favorite me-made outfits that I have been wearing on repeat at the moment. It is currently summer here in Australia, and so these are definitely more suited for the warmer weather. And I'll have a list of all the different patterns and tutorial links down in the description below this video. So if you did want to make any of these items for your own wardrobe, you can do that. So without further ado, let's get into it and let me show you 10 me-made outfits that you can make for your own wardrobe too.
Outfit number 1 is quickly becoming one of my all-time favorite outfits of all time. This dress here has been made from the Willa pattern by Rosie Caldwell and has been made from the most beautiful Liberty Tana lawn fabric. The dress style itself is so pretty and feminine and has the most lovely gathered neckline and puffy sleeves. It also has pockets, which I love, and an elasticated waistline, which makes it super comfortable and easy to wear. The fabric is also stunning and is quite a lightweight cotton, which makes it perfect for those really hot summer days, as it's just so airy and breathable, and the floral print is just the sweetest thing ever with these cute little peachy coloured flowers. I have worn this dress to a wedding before, but I also like to just pair it with my Converses for a more casual everyday look, and I have kind of been wearing this outfit non-stop over the last few weeks. Outfit number 2 features this delicious pleated linen skirt that I made using a Japanese sewing pattern. This skirt has been made from the most beautiful eucalyptus coloured linen, which is honestly my new favourite colour. I am completely in love with this shade of green. What I love about this skirt is that it has a more structured look with the pleats at the front, and then at the back it's just gathered up with some elastic, so it kind of has the best of both worlds, and the elastic back just makes this skirt so comfortable as well. For this outfit, I have paired the skirt again with my Converses, and I also have my go-to favorite t-shirt, which I'll have linked below in the description. And I also have this adorable basket. Over summer, I always like to take a basket with me wherever I go, and a large basket like this is perfect for taking a bunch of stuff to barbecues and to the beach and things like that. And lastly, I also have my favorite cap that I wear pretty much every single day. It perfectly matches the green of this skirt, and I got it from the cutest shop in Austin called Shop Slow. If you see me out and about over summertime, this is very likely going to be the outfit I'll be wearing. Outfit 3 is a somewhat recent addition to my wardrobe, and that is this stunning pin-tucked dress that I made using the Garden Dress by Frux Studio. I made this dress out of some brick red poplin fabric that has such a lovely crispy structure to it, and I think it was the perfect choice for this style of dress. Making this dress was definitely a labour of love, but the end result was so worth all of the effort, and just look at the gorgeous texture of those pin tucks. I could not be happier with this dress. It's definitely one of the most special dresses I have ever made. And something else I really love about this dress is that it almost perfectly matches my favourite shade of lipstick, which was such a happy coincidence when I realised that. I love pairing this dress with my fisherman style sandals by Everlane, and I'm making the most of wearing this dress on its own like this while it is warm. But at the same time, I'm also looking forward to pairing it with long sleeve tops underneath during the colder months as well. Outfit 4 is another one of my classic go-tos, and that is this ruffled dress of dreams that I made by pattern hacking my very own pansy pattern. This dress turned out so unbelievably cute. I love that it's my go-to pansy dress with just an extra layer of fun. I personally love a good ruffle, and I don't know, there's just something about these ruffles that works so nicely with this style of dress, and yeah, it's just such a fun dress to wear. Again, I have paired this dress with my Converses to complete this classic Janelle look, and then I also love to pair this outfit with my beloved wine bottle basket. It perfectly carries 2 bottles of wine and is probably one of my top 3 thrift finds of all time. I absolutely adore it. The next outfit is this classic strappy maxi dress that I made using the most beautiful broderie unglaze fabric that I purchased while I was in Japan. This dress looks super fancy, but it actually has just literally been made from a few rectangles of fabric. It was so easy to make. I love that I decided to make the straps able to be tied up into a bow. It's just such a cute detail and feels really summery to me. I've also made a button-up shirt from the same fabric, and I think it's really fun to pair these two pieces together. It's great for when, you know, it starts to get a little bit cold, or if I want to just cover up a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of fun to pair these two together to create a really matchy-matchy vibe. Before I show you the next outfit, let's just take a quick break to talk about the sponsor of this video.
This video has been very kindly sponsored by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to create a beautiful online presence and launch your passion project. Whether you'd like to start making and selling your own products, create a beautiful portfolio to showcase your work, write a blog, or simply create any website of any kind, you can design and build your dream website all by yourself with Squarespace. You simply select from their range of beautifully designed templates, and once you've selected your template, you can change it as much or as little as you like. You can change the overall layout of the website, add different features, as well as change all the fun things like the fonts and colors with just a few clicks, no background or knowledge needed in coding whatsoever. I have personally been using Squarespace to run the Rosery Apparel website and online store since 2016. Well before they were ever a sponsor of my channel, and not once in the almost 9 years that I've been using the platform have I ever thought about going with a different website provider. Squarespace just make running a website so stress-free and easy, and I'm able to add any type of feature to my website in order to be able to run my business successfully. Also, with the plan I'm on, I'm able to just simply pay a monthly fee. Squarespace don't take a commission on any of my sales that I make through my website, which as a small business owner is honestly such a relief, just having that one fixed fee every month. So if you'd like to create a website of your own, then I totally recommend you go and check out Squarespace using the link in the description below and take advantage of their free trial so you can test out just how easy it is to use for yourself. And then when you're ready to launch your beautiful new website, head to squarespace.com/roseryapparel for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video and for being such an amazing supporter of this channel.
Outfit number 6 is a dress I made quite a number of years ago that I've kind of rediscovered again this summer. I made this dress using the McCall's pattern 7974. I have actually made 2 dresses using this pattern and I love both of them so much. I made this dress out of some red gingham, which gives me the ultimate picnic vibes and I cannot get enough of it. To add to the picnic vibes, I like to pair this dress with this cute little basket that I found from an op shop recently. It is the perfect size to hold my phone and all of my essentials, and it also has a lid, so yeah, I kind of use it as a handbag during the summer months, which is really nice. And yeah, overall, I think this outfit is the perfect outfit for summertime. Outfit 7 is another skirt that I again made quite a few years ago. I made this skirt, I think 5 years ago or something, from a vintage sewing pattern, and I still can't get over how cute it turned out. I love the buttons down the front and the pocket details at the front as well, and I also love that it has a tie at the waist. It's just such a cute addition to this style of skirt. And yeah, this outfit is such an easy outfit but still looks quite put together, I think, and is such a fun one to wear over the warmer months. The next outfit is a pattern hack of my Rosa sewing pattern. At the front, it just looks like any ordinary Rosa dress, but at the back, it has this large open back detail with a bow closure at the top. I think this is just such a pretty detail, and it's just created the most airy and relaxed style for those really hot summer days. Again, I have paired this dress with my brown sandals that I think work so nicely with the light beige linen that this dress has been made from. The next outfit is definitely more of a fancier outfit, and that is this beautiful dress that I made using the Ella pattern by Serger Patterns. This dress is the dreamiest dress. It has such a magical feel to it that I am completely in love with. I made it out of some plain rayon fabric, which just gives it the most floaty, lovely feeling, and is the perfect fancy dress to wear over the summer, especially if I have a wedding to go to and things like that. I do honestly wish I had more of a reason to wear this dress because I just love it so much, but it does feel a little bit too fancy to wear on any given ordinary day. But I still wanted to include it in this video as it's definitely my go-to dress for when I do have a more formal event to go to. And the final outfit I have to share is another Janelle classic, and that is my Clover skirt in the midi length version. This skirt has also been made from some rayon fabric, so it also has the most lovely floaty feel to it. And because rayon is made from natural fibers, it has such a breathable, airy feel, which is my go-to fabric type for the warmer months. Again, I've paired this Clover skirt with my favourite black t-shirt and my brown fisherman's sandals. It is just such a comfortable and easy outfit to wear every day during summer, and is one of those outfits that I just tend to gravitate towards every single day. And yeah, I just feel so comfortable and at home in this outfit, and if I was to come back as a ghost, I feel like this outfit would definitely be up there as one of the outfits I would be wearing for eternity.
So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're now inspired to make some of these outfits for your own wardrobe. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, there is a whole big chunky list down in the description below where you can find all the different patterns and sewing tutorials and all the details of every outfit I've shared in this video. I just find it so interesting how every year I discover new items or new older items in my wardrobe that I kind of haven't worn or touched for a while, and find they enter the rotation again. It's just so interesting how things work that way. And yeah, it's been fun to find some makes that I made quite a while ago that now I am loving wearing again. If you did enjoy this video, it would really mean a lot to me if you could give it a like, and thanks so much for watching it until the very end, and I'll see you in the next one.